Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night with stiff, aching legs? Or maybe you've noticed that even simple tasks like standing up from a chair or taking a walk feel harder than they used to. As we age, our muscles naturally weaken, but the decline doesn't have to feel inevitable. What you eat, especially before bed, may play a key role in how strong you stay. In this video, we'll share 5 bedtime foods that may help support muscle strength and promote better rest for adults over 60. We're not promising miracles. Instead, we're offering practical, science-informed suggestions to help your body stay stronger, longer, starting tonight. Every food on this list is easy to find, easy to enjoy, and may help you age with more energy and independence. 1. Cottage cheese. This creamy snack is a secret weapon many fitness experts swear by. Fact: cottage cheese is high in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that may help feed your muscles overnight. According to research from Maastricht University, consuming casein before bed could support overnight muscle recovery in older adults. How to use: eat half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese about 30 minutes before sleep. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or berries for flavor. 2. Tart cherry juice. It's more than just a fruity drink. It might support sleep and recovery. Fact: tart cherries contain natural melatonin and antioxidants. Some studies suggest they may support better sleep quality and reduce post-exercise soreness. How to use: drink a small glass, about 4 to 6 oz, of unsweetened tart cherry juice in the evening, ideally 1 hour before bed. 3. Kiwi. This fuzzy fruit might help your muscles and your sleep. Fact: kiwi is rich in vitamin C, potassium, and serotonin, a compound linked with sleep quality. According to a study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition, eating kiwi before bed may support better sleep in older adults. How to use: eat 1 kiwi about an hour before sleep. It's refreshing, low in calories, and gut-friendly. 4. Almond butter on whole grain toast. A cozy bedtime snack that packs more than just comfort. Fact: almond butter provides healthy fats, magnesium, and protein, all of which may help support muscle health and prevent overnight hunger spikes. How to use: spread 1 tablespoon of almond butter on a slice of whole grain toast 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Pair it with herbal tea for a relaxing routine. 5. Greek yogurt with pumpkin seeds. This combo is rich in nutrients that may support muscle function. Fact: Greek yogurt contains casein and whey protein, while pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan. Together, they create a nutrient-dense mix that could support muscle recovery. How to use: mix 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and a drizzle of honey. Enjoy it about 30 to 40 minutes before bedtime. Explanation: the root cause. Why muscle loss happens at night. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates tissue, including muscle. However, as we age, the rate of muscle repair slows down. If your body doesn't get the right nutrients overnight, this process becomes less efficient. This is why bedtime nutrition matters. Eating the right foods before sleep may help your body support muscle maintenance and overall nighttime recovery. Solutions: summing it all up with real impact. Cottage cheese, slow-digesting protein that may support overnight repair. Tart cherry juice, supports sleep and recovery through natural melatonin. Kiwi, rich in antioxidants and serotonin, for rest and relaxation. Almond butter, plus toast, healthy fats and magnesium for muscle support. Greek yogurt, plus pumpkin seeds, protein plus minerals to support overnight recovery. Reminder: skipping proper nighttime nutrition could lead to faster muscle breakdown and less mobility over time. Upside: small changes in your evening routine could help you feel stronger, sleep better, and maintain your independence longer. Strong muscles don't just come from exercise. They're also built while you sleep. By adding just 1 or 2 of these bedtime foods to your routine, you may give your body the tools it needs to maintain muscle strength naturally. Just imagine waking up feeling rested and a little more ready to take on the day. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with a friend or family member who might need it. And if you'd like more practical, research-informed tips for staying healthy and strong after 60, don't forget to subscribe. Your journey to stronger muscles starts with one simple change: tonight.